Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a logo here in Canva. Let's begin. Creating a logo in Canva is an easy and customizable process. You just have to follow these simple steps to design your own professional logo. Now, open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one, just click the sign up option on the upper right corner. You can continue with your business or personal email, or you can continue with your Apple, your Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, or you can also continue with your work email and your mobile number. Once you have that sorted, all you're gonna do is click the create a logo option here. All right. Now you can choose from 1,000 of professional design templates. Bring your branding identity to life. You can browse the customizable logo templates to find a match. All right, millions of free icons and illustrations and hundreds of eye-catching font combinations. Just click the button right here. What happens is you would be forwarded to the blank canvas. All right, we can rename this. You can choose from any of this one right here. You just have to avoid with the Crown Pro icon, because that means you need to upgrade to the Canva Pro to use this premium element or template. All right, just have to use the say for example the free ones. Now I'm gonna be choosing something like let's choose something very simple. How about this one right here? Or maybe this one. Okay, now you see you have the template style. You can use the Watch Raiders template style right here. All right, it also gives you some suggestions if you wanted to try some elements like this, right? More of this design. You have the option to choose the different color, right? So you're not limited. In this case, I'm going to customize it. All right. For example, this. Okay. Now, that's going to be deep laughs deal. I'm going to upload a specific logo for this one because I have not actually a logo. I'm going to put in a specific image as part of the logo that we're creating. All right. So I've been working with this photo. I wanted to add this to our all right. For example, that looks like I'm really happy with how it looks. All right. Of course, you can customize the logo, and since we are starting from scratch, you can put in elements here. For example, we're just going to go to the shapes, maybe like a frame, kind of like a frame. Looking for the frame, say for example frame, like a semi border. Click on graphics, maybe this one right here. Just make it a little bit like this one right here. All right, so that one. I'm gonna, once you are happy with this, all right, you have a lot of options by clicking on the present full screen to make sure that the logo blends perfectly well. All the elements are well adjusted. You can click on the elements, text, icons, and shapes to move, rotate, or resize them. Again, if you want to use the grid to make sure that all the elements are perfectly aligned, just go to the file section here on the upper right. Click on show rulers, and of course again click on the show add guide to see, so that you have like you can experiment with the data, so everything is put into place. All right, so you see that, click on add guides. So that's that. Now when you use the grid and alignment tools to ensure everything is well proportioned and centered, you can also group elements together by selecting multiple items here. For example, this one, I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna send this element at the back. Now I can group all the elements together. All right, click on that and click on group. right? And from here, you can adjust the spacing between letters, lines, or elements to make your logo balanced. Obviously, once you are happy with this, you might want to click on the share button on the upper right corner. For example, if you want to test the waters on how this logo would look like, you might want to click on the download option. You can use the PNG, which is suggested. You can limit the file size. You can compress the file for lower quality for checking like a draft, or if you wanted to have a transparent background. But you notice that before you can use these features, you might want to upgrade to the Canva Pro. All right, because if you're working with a free subscription, you're not going to be able to use that feature. Now, you can also choose for the JPEG or PDF standard, but if you plan to print this, you might want to click on the PDF for print, which is best for printing. You can check all of these options: crop marks, flatten PDF. You can also include notes. Now, the notes here are this, okay? Say, for example, this element, you might want to click on comment. And if you wanted to put in some notes, you're welcome to do that. If you click on again on download, if you click on the PDF for print, you can include the notes. If you are sending this via a file, an online file, just click on the RGB, which is best for digital use. If you plan on printing this one, you might want to select the CMYK, which is best for professional printing. Now, if you plan to share this to your client, click on the anyone with the link and copy that link and share it to your boss, your client, or any of the collaborator with that design. If you plan on sharing this to your social media, you're welcome to do that. You can choose from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even your X account. If you plan to save this to the, say for example, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, PowerPoint, you can also do that. You can also forward this logo as an attachment or as WhatsApp message or an iMessage. So there's a lot that you can work with this logo. And again, from here, you might want to zoom out to see how your logo would look like by pressing the Control Plus to zoom in. Make sure it's readable and looks good both large and small, as logos often needs to be versatile for different applications. All right. And again, once you're happy, just download your logo on your website, social media, business cards, and merchandise. Make sure you save a copy of simple and memorable scalable option. If you want to print this, you might want to click on the print with Canva. If you click that, these are going to be your options. All right. If you want to print this logo like a sticker, wall calendars, folded cards, portraits, and there's a lot that you can work with. We have a separate video on how to use the print with Canva that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, this is how you make a logo here in Canva. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.